They say that for any long journeys we plan, the first pedal stroke is actually the hardest. I have to agree. You see, riding to Bristol has always been in my bucket list, ever since my friend put the idea in my head a year ago. Unfortunately, the journey did not materialize as my friend had to go back to Malaysia, while I stayed on in the UK. I have all the bikepacking gear ready, but they were sitting in my closet collecting dust. I just couldn't find the time to actually do it. Finally, I decided that today is the day. I started riding at around 10 AM and was only able to completely get out of London at around 12:30 PM. London is a really huge city. So just past Heathrow just now, and I'm in this really beautiful town that I've never known before. It's called Staines-upon-Thames, and for some reason it's so beautiful. So you really do find new things when you cycle. Right now we're at kilometer 42. We still have a long way to go. Hopefully we can get to Bath or Bristol before nightfall. But yeah, quite hot. Today is like 33 degrees Celsius, so it is really hot. But yeah, we're managing through so far. And then I hit jackpot. With your hand on your heart, please tell me which way to go, 'cause I sure don't know. One piece in hand is a start, but it's a mighty puzzle. Finally, it's just so quiet and so peaceful. Oh my goodness, so nice. I can live here forever. And we're back to the road. With your heart on your sleeve, it's a fine line between letting go. Oh, alright, thanks very much. So I take my love. The best avocado salmon on toast I've ever eaten. But it's actually 11 pounds, which is very expensive. But that glass of Coke, so satisfying. Alright, back to the grind. Climbing one of the few hills along the way right now. I suspect there will be more, but this one is quite tough. Hi, Fugi. He's totally unaware of what's about to happen over the next 2 days. Note to self, never again should I ever ride on gravel roads with my thin road bike tires. This could have ended really badly. Good morning everyone, welcome to day 2. Quite hard to sleep yesterday because it's super hot, like the heat wave, insane. But then towards the second half of the day it starts to get better. I mean the second half of the night. Today is gonna be a shorter day, about 88k left I believe. And we'll be in Bristol. But first, we're in Hungerford. So that means it's time to get hungry. Some damage from yesterday's gravel. I'm not sure how dangerous this is. This is a bump. Don't cause me any problems. Okay, enough with the elevator music. So today we're cycling through the North Wessex Downs AONB and the Cotswolds AONB. AONB stands for Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty, so this is definitely the best part of our entire ride. But boy are there a lot of climbs to be had. I climb and climb and climb, but definitely not complaining about the downhill. Sweet, sweet downhill. Oh, how naive I was, because it goes uphill again.
You gotta be kidding me. I thought it's going to be flat. Ah!
But it was all worth it in the end.
Made it to Bath. 25k to go. Oh my god, this is cold.
And this is by far the best cycling path I've ever ridden on. I highly suggest that you guys put this in your bucket list of top 10 places to ride before you die. I was so knackered at the end of that long path, so huge thanks to this guy for taking on the win for me right before we reached Bristol.
Yeah. Oh my god. Check out the view, guys.
So good to see the sunset. And we just went through the town, but I didn't bring the camera around, sorry. I guess we're gonna come back again. We've been to Bristol before. It's just that previously we never actually been to the inner city itself, because we were only in the Clifton Suspension Bridge. But yeah, I guess this is the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose life, choose the adventure. Don't forget us!
With your